Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Nompumeleo asks her followers to ask anything, and of course the questions around her baby daddy, whether she's still with her baby daddy, was going to pop up. And listen to actually the response that she actually gave when one of her followers actually asked, "Are you still with your baby daddy?" I believe Unompumelelo has a message for all of us because her response seems to not only be for her, but a whole bunch of us as well. So listen to this video, guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Baby daddy axis soulmates. Nitshele nna la baba prank. Sharp.
So you guys, there you have it. I'm gonna take that response as in that she's no longer with her baby daddy, because if someone basically is saying that baby daddies are not soulmates, a soulmate is normally a person that you guys were meant to be with forever, and you guys live happily ever after, I guess. So if she's saying your baby daddy is not your soulmate, meaning that you're not supposed to be with him forever, so I guess she's no longer with her baby daddy. I don't know, you guys, but she was not giving straight answers regarding like her situation with her baby daddy. But there you have it, you guys. She says that, even the ones who are preggies, the ones who are still pregnant, you should keep that in mind, that your baby daddy is not your soulmate. I don't know about that, you guys, but anyway, that is Nompumeleo. There's a couple of other questions that were also asked, like stuff like, did your baby daddy have a problem with the fact that, you appeared on Izingane's temple and your ex was basically paying what for you? She was basically like giving vague answers, like to say like, why would he have a problem with it? And then when people were asking her like, how are you doing? She was like, basically responding in a way that she's not okay and putting a bandage on her heart. Normally, when people put bandages on their hearts, that emoticon, they are hurt, they are going through something. So I guess Ugel is no longer with her baby daddy, you guys. But there you have it. Ugel basically answers, I guess maybe for some of us who have been asking issue with baby daddy, now we kind of know maybe it's an on and off type of situation. As you guys, but once a child is involved, all I know is that that's not just that easy to just move on from a person. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this video. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.